Oh yes, this definitely brings back memories. Back in the day, a whole bunch of buddies and I would pile in the van, head to California, hit the races, and this is when they were doing the 4-stroke nationals, so this kind of dates me. One good buddy of mine, we were down there, I think it was Adelano, Racetown 395 for the 4-stroke nationals, and we were just practicing, and Mike Alessi showed up on CR80 or 85 and was keeping up with us. So yeah, that goes to show how old I am. But I did get a race with Ryan Hughes, whole shot Doug Dubach, along with a lot of other fast guys. Man, I wish my day at work looked like this. Freshly groomed and watered prep track. Don't we all wish we could just go out to the store and buy one of these Eli Tomac KX450s, or a Ken Roxon CR450F, or a Justin Barsha YZ450, or anything even similar? Oh man, I could have watched this all day. Thanks so much for tuning in. I'm Chris with Chris Tech Tips. Yes, we're going to talk about the all-new 2021 Kawasaki KX450F. So, let's get into it. So let's dive into this. Let's see what they've changed for the all-new 2021 KX450F. Also, don't forget, scroll down below, click that subscribe button and the notification bell. That way you'll be up to date with my latest videos. This year, they're featuring an increased engine performance, an all-new cone disc spring hydraulic clutch. Also, they included a new Renthal fat bar, and as it stands right now, Kawasaki has the most Supercross and Motocross championships than any other manufacturer out there. Also new for 2021 is the light pull and self-adjusting clutch. A new cone disc spring hydraulic clutch offers a lighter clutch pull and a wider engagement range. Larger diameter plates provide increased fade resistance, and we know the past few years that the Kawi had problems with their clutch, so I think this will be a huge improvement. And the suspension on the Kawasaki is amazing. The 49mm Showa coil spring fork combined with A-kit technology delivers excellent handling and performance. I have to admit, this is probably one of the best forks I've ridden on. Kawasaki also offers couplers to choose the engine settings to suit your riding style or track conditions. This is a plug-and-play style system that allows quick and easy selection from 3 pre-programmed fuel injection and ignition map settings. Next up is the brakes. With advanced stopping power, the front is a 270mm rotor along with a 250mm rear rotor, which gives you the ability to push a little harder into the corners. I also have to mention the lightweight aluminum perimeter frame and swing arm, which provides awesome balance, contributing to precise cornering, which makes the front end feel very predictable, and maximum traction is gained at the rear wheel. And we all know these Kawasaki's are super stable at high speeds. I've been on Kawasaki's the last couple years. Definitely looking to upgrade. I'm not sure which brand I'm going to go to, so make sure to leave me some comments on the link below. Let me know what you guys are shooting for. Let me know what you guys are riding and what you guys think's the best out there. Also, if you haven't already, make sure you scroll down below, click that subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for watching. I'm Chris with Chris Tech Tips. Hopefully you guys learned something from this video, and make sure you stay tuned because I've got some DIY suspension videos coming up along with some new models. Also, I got to give a huge shout out to all my new subscribers. Thanks so much for tuning in. We'll catch you in the next one.